Are you looking for the best pellet grills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pellet grills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Traeger Ironwood XL. What we liked, this mammoth of a pellet grill boasts 924 square inches of cooking space, making it superfluous if you rarely smoke meat, but a boon if you're frequently throwing meaty backyard bashes. During testing, we, and all of our lucky test subjects, swooned over the results pumped out by this baby. Ribs, pork butt, and chicken wings were succulent and seriously, but not overwhelmingly, smoky. Overall, it's a great grill that produces barky, smoky results every time, especially if you use the super smoke setting, and lets you set the temperature in 5-degree increments. We'd recommend investing in a separate wireless grill thermometer, but we'd say that for any grill or smoker, anyway. What we didn't like, the biggest downside was that the app and smoker interface were glitchy when used in tandem, but if you set your cooking parameters manually on the smoker or just used the app, everything turned out fine. Of course, $2,000 is also quite expensive. Number 2. Traeger Ironwood TFB61 RLG Pellet Grill. What we liked, this grill is exceptionally easy to use, with a digital control panel, app, and spacious side tables. Its side-located pellet hopper has a wide opening for simple loading, and its app makes it easy to set and track the grill's internal temperature from afar. The Ironwood maintained consistent temperatures, and we found ourselves using it long after testing was over. Spice rub chicken thighs on this model are a dream. Its pull-out ashtray conceals a disposable aluminum liner, which makes for easy cleanup. It's the best pellet grill for someone who wants the features of the Ironwood XL, but not that much cooking space. What we didn't like, the Ironwood is expensive. While we like this grill's smaller cooking surface for our grilling needs, those wanting to throw backyard barbecue bashes may want something larger, like the Ironwood XL. Number 3. Traeger Woodridge Pro Pellet Grill. What we liked, we were impressed with this pellet grill. Not only did it boast an expansive cooking surface larger than the Ironwood XL, but it was wicked consistent. It only varied 10 degrees from its set temperature throughout our tests. The ribs and chicken wings we made with it were amazingly tender, too. Its app was also intuitive to use and, we found, easily connected to the grill. We liked that it monitored the pellet level and made it easy to track the temperature and cooking time, even if we were hanging out on the patio. We've been testing this pellet grill for about 6 months, and it's held up exceptionally well. I used my Traeger all winter long, and it still looks brand new. Pretty impressive, considering I live in snowy New England, says editor Rochelle Billow. What we didn't like, the Woodridge Pro didn't impart the smokiest flavor of all the pellet grills. If you're an occasional griller, you may want to consider the smaller, and cheaper Woodridge. Number 4. Pit Boss 440 Deluxe Wood Pellet Grill. What we liked, part of our testing included a blind taste test, and my personal rankings always were the same. The Yoder YS640 and Traeger Timberline were first or second in every category, and in third was Pit Boss. Steven says. Indeed, the performance meets price point of this pellet grill is worth raving about. Its searing panel got blisteringly hot, yielding nice browning despite its lower temperature range. The Pit Boss also delivered a well-defined smoke flavor. What we didn't like, this pellet grill only has 2 wheels, making transport tougher. It also lacks the smart features of the other grills. During the long smoke test, the smaller hopper was noticeable, and it needed refilling after just 2.5 hours. It also ran hotter and less consistently than we'd like for smoking. Number 5. Traeger Pro Series 780 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. What we liked, with a digital control panel, an intuitive app, and consistent performance, we liked this Traeger model. High-tech features aside, the Pro 780 performs like a pro. It had a moderately smoky flavor and delivered nice grill marks. During the long smoke test, it produced a desirable 1/4-inch smoke ring on our pork butt. Like all of the Traegers we tested, this model was easy to assemble. What we didn't like, overall, this model yielded less smoky flavor than other pellet grills. Recommended accessories. Wusthof Fish Spatula. This is the tool for sliding underneath delicate, stuck-on proteins, like fish. Weber 12-inch 3-sided grill brush. The slim bristles on this brush help it slip in between grill grates, keeping them squeaky clean. Its 3 sides make the job quick and, almost, effortless. Key specs. Cooking area, 780 square inches. Dimensions, 55 by 49 by 27 inches. Temperature range, 165 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Warranty, 3 years. Extra features, app compatible, cooking probe. Assembly, easy.